Hi everybody, it's FireLite 457 and welcome to system test number 14 of the FireLite MS-9600UDLS system. So anyways, let's get started. The system test was requested by 405080, and before I show off the devices, you'll probably notice that I have the panel in walk test. Well, I'll show you why when I show y'all the devices. So for coming up here for the first NAC, he requested the Simplex 4051, also known as my Faraday 5430, behind my Simplex 2903 9001 light plate. And then coming over here, requested the Federal Signal 450 Fibratone behind the Space Age AV32. And both of these devices will be on March time, and I have the lights hooked up to the strobe circuits, so they will be doing audible silence. Then coming down over here, got the SD365 and the H365R, which we'll be testing both of these today with a magnet. For the first conventional pull station, he requested the Simplex 2099 9756. And that's there. You probably noticed that I have made my demo board a little bit better, because I changed out the NAC boxes, because the original NAC boxes, they were stripped, and so they just needed to be changed out. But so before I had to change the NAC boxes, I had to pull all the wiring that was going through these two boxes out, disconnect the SLC, and plus I also replaced the boxes on the monitor modules. But I think I might have put the boxes a little bit too close to each other, but that shouldn't really matter. Coming over here, got Simplex, the system sensor RTS 151 test switch. And the reason why I have the system on walk test is because these two devices together are extremely loud, and my father's home and I don't want to annoy him so much. But after the walk test, I'll show you what the system activated off of walk test, and then y'all should be able to see the audible silence on the light plates. Over here for the second conventional pull station, he requested the Simplex 4251-20. I will also be testing the system sensor 2400, which is connected to the MMF 302 interface module. Since this system is in walk test, the devices are going to be sounding for just a few seconds, and then they're just going to turn right back off. I think maybe the lights will remain flashing since they're both on audible silence. And with all that said and done, let's go ahead and start with the test. And now, before I start the test, again, please do not pull fire alarms in real buildings or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public. I will not be responsible for your actions if you choose to do so. And please don't watch if you have there will not be any strobes in this video today, so everybody can watch this video. So, all said and done, first we're gonna pull this conventional pull stations. Then we're gonna activate the two detectors with a magnet. Then I'm gonna go over below the annunciator and pull the 4251-20. And then I'm gonna activate the system sensor 2400. And then finally, after that, we're going to go ahead and reset the system, and I'm going to finish off the system test using the drill button to show the system in activation off of walk test. So, anyways, we're going to go ahead and start by pulling the Simplex 2099-9756. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headphone users, please turn down your volume. Okay, that's where the lights were not going for some reason, if I have the system on walk tests, but don't worry, I will show the lights going at the end after I put the system out of walk test. So next up, we're going to go ahead and do the SD365. That is really loud, by the way. I'm glad I have this on walk test right now. So, next up, do the heat detector. Now we're going to go ahead and do the RTS-151 test switch. Now coming over here, we're going to go ahead and activate the 4251-20. Right, then finally, before we reset the system and reset the pull stations, we're going to come over here, go ahead and test the 2400. Alright, now we can go ahead and reset the pull stations. Alright, system's now back to normal. Now, to end off the video, I'm going to go ahead and press the drill button on the control panel, and you'll see the lights in action this time. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the control panel. I'm going to just press the drill button. So, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see the lights going on audible silence. And now we're just going to go ahead and reset the system. Alright, so this is going to do it for system test 14 of the FireLite MS-9600UDLS system, everybody. Thanks for 405080 for requesting this loud setup. Be sure to check him out. And if you'd like to request the system test on the 4064 system or the 9600 system, The description on what to do will be in the description in this video, and it's also in the description in this collection video. So be sure to check that out, and always be sure to check out my other fire alarm videos. I have tons of content out there you do not want to miss. Hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Peace out, everybody.